everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the 300 free Moonlight Crystal in Heartopia. So, Heartopia has released several redeem codes that will give you free rewards including Moonlight Crystals. And here's how to claim them. First, just open your smartwatch, this one, and then just tap on the settings, like this, and then just simply tap on this redeem code button, this one, and then in here just insert, and then in here just input the redeem code. First code is Call of Whales 0709, like this, the first code, and then next just tap on redeem, and the reward will be sent it to your mailbox, in-game mailbox, and then just tap on got it. And then the second code is this Ocean Guardians, like this, just tap on redeem, got it. And then for the last is 180 days joy, like this, tap on redeem and got it. And then next just go to your mailbox, this one, and then in here you will receive 3 mails or 3 messages that have 100 Moonlight Crystal, and in here you will get total of 300 free Moonlight Crystal if you redeem all the 3, like this, you can see it. And next just simply tap on claim all, like this, you will get 3 free Moonlight Crystal. So make sure to redeem them as soon as possible because this could expired at the July 21. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.